Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be revealing the July mystery kit from my shop. So without further ado, this is the theme for July. So the kit is called Interior Designer and it is very boho chic inspired, where it has a lot of like the rainbows. It's really pretty neutral colors. Yeah, just so cute. Love this. So here are the full boxes that you get. Then with the full kit, you get the checklists, the headers and little things, quarter boxes, half boxes, the washi sheet, the functional sheet, and then the glitter and deco sheet. So with the full kit, you get all those sheets, plus you get these fashion box girls here so that you can change out based on your hair color or skin tone if you would like to change those ones out. And then with all of our mystery kits, you get add-ons as well. So the two add-ons that we have this month are two foiled items. So they come in gold foil and you get these full boxes. These just have like the squiggles that kind of mimic the lines in a lot of the prints. And then you have the rainbows, and then this one has the border around there to kind of mimic these rainbows. So super pretty. It's gonna be in gold foil. And then the second item is these headers. So these are individually cut headers and they mimic the pattern for the washi strips that are here. So kind of coordinated with the kit very well. That is what all comes in the full kit. And the tiny kit is very similar, but it has the full boxes, the quarter boxes and half boxes, the washi sheet with the skinny heart checklist, and then the functional sheet with the deco. The tiny kit also comes with the same full boxes as the full kit, and then you get the glitter headers as well, and then you also get the two foiled add-ons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the July sneak and the kit itself. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're excited for getting this kit, just leave me a note in the comments down below. Bye guys!